Here we have a beautiful 2007 Mini Cooper 1.6 petrol engine, low tax, low insurance, 92,000 miles on the clock, manual transmission, 6 gears. It has 6 speakers, Bluetooth, CD, radio, auxiliary, equalizer and track repeat. It has authentic mini alloys with 16-inch run flat tyres. It has air conditioning, rear window heater, electric windows, auto door locking, central locking, seatbelt alarm, petrol alarm and standard alarm and immobiliser. It has 2 keys, half leather seats. So have a look at the leather seats. As you can see, they are part red and pinstripe upholstery. The mirrors also adjust via this nodule here, so you can move them in the comfort of your seat. The back seats, they fold flat, and it has a dash cam wired by Halfords. With the dash cam isn't included because we purchased that for ourselves. Full service history and plenty of storage, as we will have a look now. Here is the key. You unlock the boot with this, and as you can see, the boot is all very nice and tidy. And here are the levers that you can adjust or flatten the seats there. Underneath you've got the original mini kit for if you break down. That's your thing, the toe, that's your jack, and that's the you take the wheels off with. So quite nice in there, quite roomy, big enough for a standard buggy. As you can see, the car is in very good cosmetic condition. See, new tyres. All of the tyres are new with excellent tread depth. As you see there, very, very good depth. All of the upholstery is very clean. Trying to move the seat forward. As you can see, the original carpets, very little wear and tear. The rear seats have Isofix for children. Nice upholstery and carpets here. 6 speakers. There's also 6 airbags. This car is very safe. Another lovely bonus is both blinds have these lovely little mirrors and lights. There we go. There's your other speakers. What I also love about the car is in both sides you have this lovely metal step. Here we go. These seats are adjustable. You can adjust the height. The back of the seats. There we go. Lift that. Get cozy. Underneath there's a bar that you can move the seat backwards and forwards. Here's where you adjust your mirrors with that. Here is the stereo. And here's how we start the car. You push the key in right there, There you go. And then to start it, you put your foot down on the clutch and then press the button. This adjusts the volume.
Listening to the show as he's travelling back.
You got your audio selection here. That changes the radio station. You press audio to choose between CD and auxiliary. It tells you when you need to get petrol. Here's a little sign telling me how much room I have. These are the lights. Your passengers can have lights, the driver has a light, and people in the back have a light. So you can turn that on and off at your convenience. What else? Here we go. I think it's time to look at the engine. Oh yeah, and here's your little chargy thing. Underneath here is the auxiliary port. Right, to look at the engine, we pop this lever here. And it should be right here somewhere. Right. I've got this area. Right, there we go, that. And the lever is there. It's got a hydraulic style opening. You've got your authentic BMW mini engine, 1.6. As you can see, it's very clean. I've got both lights there working. Where's the hazards? Put them on to show you the indicators work too. Go. Lovely bodywork. How do we brighten it up here? Okay. The side lights. Fog lights. And close. And there's this lever here to bring the seat forward so passengers can enter. Nice little armrest here. Storage for the passengers. Cup holder for passengers. Cup holder for both driver and passenger. It fits all cup sizes, which is quite nice. Yeah, nice little car.